What's up guys, welcome back to 4K Motoring. Today's video is going to be a quick walkthrough on how to change the cabin air filter on a 2018 and newer Honda Odyssey. See, it has 52,396 miles and the cabin air filter has never been changed. Alright, so the cabin air filter is right behind the glove box. On this side over here there is a little release that you have to push for the damper right here. You just okay, you gotta push down on the bottom. Push down on the bottom here, and then it should just pop out. Then at the top here, there's a release tab. You can see this bends over. You gotta push it over and pull down. And one on this side as well. And then the glove box comes down, and then you can see back here, this is where the cabin air filter is, right here. And you can see the arrows where it says airflow down. It's because they are directional. So let's go ahead and get that one out and see what the condition is of it. So the cover, it's hard to film back there, but you can see it has just two little tabs on either side. You just push those in and it pops right off. And then pulling the filter out, you just got to grab a hold of it, and it is a little snug in there, but it is just kind of like a paper cardboard. And you can see it is pretty dirty. It's never been changed. Alright, I'm replacing it with a TYC filter. This was $5 on Rock Auto. Alright, see, it says airflow that way. So we'll go ahead. I'm just going to show you a quick comparison with the other filter. See, it is the same size. If anything, I like the TYC better because it has this like this little felt on the side to help seal it better. And airflow top to bottom, and you just kind of get it in place without trying to mar it up too much. And then it just slides in. And then replace the cover. Alright, it's snapped in there. And then clip the glove box back in. So see, then here's this little damper. Maybe can show you how to see, it just clips on like that, but to get it off you just have to kind of push on this bottom hook here, and then see, it pops right back. Alright, and that's it. Should be done. Alright, thanks for watching. Tune in for more next time. Oh, and don't forget to put all the crap back in the glove box.